Magandang hapon po ng November 2, 2023 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM Digit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng November 2, 2023 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto, 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, November 2, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 2, 2023, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 95 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 93 million pesos for Thursday, November 2, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for November 2, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.